Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And there is some product information about the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. And at the back of the box packaging there is further information in various languages. And on this side there is some information about the inventor and founder of Tangle Teezer. And the box packaging is recyclable. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. By opening the flap and giving you a look directly inside the box. Let's tip the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager out from the box packaging, and of course the insert that's at the back of the box. And let's close it up and set it to the side. So just setting it on the right hand side of the table. And giving you a look at the Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, as it is straight out from the box packaging. It is available in 5 colors, and this one is in the Lavender Life color. So giving you a look as it is the Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. So to give you some sense of the size of the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, resting it in my palm right there, and of course flipping it on its back, and giving you some close-up looks. So it is made out of plastic, and right there giving you some sense of the firmness or softness and flexibility of the exfoliator and massager, or scalp brush or scalp scrubber. And of course taking a look at the teeth of the scrubber or brush, and of course with the grip handle or wings, just sliding one's fingers through and into and between those wings. So you can see right there, stays nice and gripped. And right there giving you, once again, different aspects of this exfoliator and scrubber or massager. And we can see that there are 2 thicknesses of the teeth, with the thicker ones towards the ends and the finer or thinner ones towards the middle or center of the massager. And to give you some sense of its firmness or softness and flexibility, giving you some sense right there by brushing or running my finger through the teeth, and once again giving you a look right there, and of course pressing down on them, so the firmer or harder ones towards the end, as you can see right there, and the softer ones towards the middle, and just pressing down with quite an amount of pressure, as you can see, completely flexed and popping straight up again. And as you can see, with the much firmer ones at the end and the finer ones towards the middle. And once again giving you a look as to the length of the teeth and its overall design. And now let's go ahead and test it by just massaging my scalp and pressing down on my scalp, so activating those pressure points. And of course we can make circular motions as well should we have any product we'd like to apply for treatment onto our scalp. And we can also brush it from the front to the back as well. So once again giving you just one last look at the Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. So that's the Tangle Teezer, the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. Thanks for watching and happy exfoliating and massaging.